If you are clicking on this video, that means you're probably trying to get started with coding but you don't know where to start, so I will be guiding you through with the process. So first, to download Python, we will be visiting the python.org website. Once you are there, go to the download section and download the latest version for your computer. Once you got that downloaded, double click on it and run the installer. Make sure you press Add Python to Path. After that, just go on with the rest of the installer. After that, we need to download a text editor. In my opinion, all around, Visual Studio Code by Microsoft is the best lightweight text editor. So search Visual Studio Code and press on Downloads. Visual Studio Code was made by Microsoft, so it is pretty reliable and easy to learn. Now download the correct installer for your operating system. For me, I'm going to get the one for Windows. Once it's installed, double-click on it and run through the installer. Accept the agreements if you must and wait until it downloads. Press Finish and close the installer. Before launching Visual Studio Code, I would recommend you open File Explorer and making a new folder for our programs. Now go ahead and launch Visual Studio Code by either searching it or clicking on the desktop icon. Once you open it, you will be greeted by something that looks a little like this. Here, go and click on Open Folder and locate the new folder you made. Before you start coding, make sure you have the Python extension installed. Once you got that installed, go back to your folder and click on New File and name your file. Make sure it has .py at the end. Now here it is also important that you make a virtual environment. So press the second to last thing on the bottom right corner and then press Create env. Then click on the Python version you want. I already have a virtual environment, so I'm not going to be making one. Now in this area, you can code, and we can test this by typing print hello world and see if it returns anything. Press the play button and we can see that it works. And with that, that is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe for more.